Okay, as you can see, I have a lot of fucking miles on this car. And my service engine soon light is on. And my oil pressure is low. Or I'm figuring it just stays on until you start the car, but I don't really know. In about a few more seconds, you'll hear the fuel pump cut on. So let's just wait for that. Or okay, and then it turns off. Okay, I'm gonna attempt to start the car. And pretty much it just backfired. I have no clue where the smoke just came from, but it was just smoking right now before I hopped out the car. See, this is the tube I was talking about, my PVC. It runs right here, and right there was a big ass crack in it. And it runs down there to the wiring order. Also, my oil is a red. It's like a dark reddish. It's like rusty, kind of. I don't know why this fucking rusty. Just changed my air filter. I really have no other clue what could possibly be. I have no idea where the spark plugs are in here. I thought these were it. Or it could be these back here. And this battery right here is, I got this like 3 months ago, and it's died on me twice. I had to keep on getting it recharged. I'm scared to start it back up, so I'm just in it there.